Hi, welcome to Tuesday 10 Talk. I'm Heather. I'm actually out here in Scottsdale, sunny Scottsdale, Arizona, at the Women in Rental ARA. And I'm actually here with Tony. And Tony, tell me a little bit about who you are, what your role is, and what you got going on.
Absolutely, Heather. My name is Tony Conant, and I am the Chief Executive Officer of the American Rental Association. And like Heather said, we're here in Scottsdale with the combined Young Professionals Conference and the Women in Rental. We're also going to have our foundation board meeting here, so it's an awesome event where we've got roughly 150 of ARA's finest here in Scottsdale, all learning and networking together.
It's actually a quite enjoyable educational experience for me. I've been on the manufacturing side for so long that I don't generally get to attend these kind of events, but it's really neat to see the interaction between, even last night we had a social hour, and it was the interaction between the young leaders,
Yep.
or what are we calling them?
Young professionals.
Young professionals, between the young professionals and the women in rental, and just the sharing of knowledge is quite amazing. It's really unique, and I enjoy that part of it. Is that the kind of idea behind it?
Absolutely. And the people that come here are all interested in growth and professional development. I think everyone's here with the intention of meeting people, learning from each other, so that's what makes these conferences so awesome.
I know today, the women we are meeting with, her name is Sarah, tell me what her last name? Pedestra. She is amazing. She is a spitfire. She is like creating creative juices in us, really. And how can we kind of look outside our box and work within our industry, and what can we do to fix it or change it or improve it or any of our issues. So it's quite a great seminar, and it's like you want to get back and you want to go like, yeah, this is what we can do. So but what we're going to do is I'll send you some pictures and photos and take a look at what we're experiencing here today, and maybe the next time one of these events comes up, make sure you get signed up because it sells out, right?
They sell out, so when we post these, you need to get registered as soon as we put these out there.
So do you know when's the next event? Do we have something lined up? Or?
I think it's going to be the Young Professionals and Women in Rental conferences are going to happen the week after Thanksgiving again next year, 2023.
Perfect. Well, so be on the lookout for those. And in the meantime, you need to come to the ARA show down in Orlando. It's going to be a great show. We're looking forward to it, and we look forward to seeing you guys all there. If you have any other ideas for a Tuesday 10 Talk, give us a shout out. And Tony, thanks so much for joining me today.
You got it, Heather.
I appreciate it.
Thank you.
Have a great day.